Right, that's a circle geometry question there. The diagram shows point A, B, C, D on the circumference of a circle center O. EAF is a tangent to the circle at A. Given that BAF is 40 and CAD is 30, calculate those. So we want to see the CD is subtending an angle of 30 here, so it's subtending an angle of 30, they are equal. So if you haven't watched my videos on circle geometry, you can go on YouTube, watch my long form video on circle geometry theorems and come and answer these questions. So now we have this 40 degrees, we have a tangent angle formed here by this chord AB is equal to the angle at the circumference subtended by AB at the circumference in the alternate segment. So it's 40 here. Then this 40 is subtended by AB. So angle ADB is also subtended by AB. So it's also 40 degrees. Then we have this diameter. Right, angles subtended by the diameter are of size 90 degrees. So this whole angle is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 30, we are going to get this is 60 degrees. Right, then we now have this triangle ADB. This 90 plus 40 is 130. From 180, we get 50 there. 50 degrees. So 50 plus 30 is 80. This is a straight line. 80 from 180, this is 100. So if this is 100 plus this 40, we are going to get 140. From 180, ABF is a triangle. So from 180, we get a 40 there. So, and we have this angle, DAE. This is equal to the angle in the alternate segment subtended by AD, which is 50 degrees. So ADB, it's 40 degrees. DAE, 50 degrees. ABF, 100 degrees. Then CDB,